Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to conduct remote meetings with Zoho Project, your full 2025 guide. First up, log into your Zoho Project account. It's important to do this because that's where all your project-related information and communication will take place. Now that we've done that, navigate towards the Meetings tab on the top. This helps us because it's where we begin scheduling and conducting our meetings. Once there, click the Schedule Meeting option. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. You're essentially laying the groundwork for your remote meeting, setting the agenda, time, and participants. The next step is to fill in the meeting details, such as the title, date, time, and participants. The reason we do this is to ensure all team members are aware of the meeting specifics and can prepare accordingly. Now, once you've filled in all details, click on Create. Let me explain why this matters. By doing this, you're finalizing your meeting, and an automatic notification is sent to all participants, making sure everyone is on the same page. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can effectively conduct remote meetings with Zoho Project. To wrap up, remember that effective remote meetings require clear communication, and Zoho Project provides the tools to make that happen. Thanks for joining us today, and stay tuned for more tutorials on how to maximize your productivity with Zoho.